Because you're afraid you're going to get pinched. But I don't think they would pinch.
Tail, but they're so stupid.
I don't think they pinch real hard.
There's a baby. Oh, it's on the rock.
Let's see who can catch the first crawfish.
I see one. Wait, there's three. Oh, yeah.
Baylor's fixing to catch one, aren't you, babe?
Oh, it's trying to keep. They keep going under.
You gotta get it from behind its head. They're trying to catch some crawfish. All right, let's see if Uncle Jordan can get it. Okay, look. Here he goes. Let's see if he gets it. He got it.
Uncle Jordan, put it in the bucket.
Let me see.
Okay. That's
Whoa.
Whoa.
There he is. He's only got one. Scoot the cup up to it from behind.
I got.
Oh, you almost had him.
Wait, stay. Baylor, stay now.
Elliot's trying to catch one. You gotta be quick. Once you decide to do it, you gotta be committed to it. Did you lose him? Yeah, the water's a little murky. Gotta let it settle for a minute.
Hey, truthfully, we only have like 2 in there that are actually Old Bay season. Fresh caught river crawdaddies. Gonna let this boil. When it comes to a boil, we'll put them in there. See how they taste. You excited? Yes. You gonna try one?
Yeah.
All right. All right, let's put this back on and let's count. Timer, 3 minutes.
You want to taste it, Elliot?
Yeah, honey, you wanna try it? Just take the whole thing in your mouth. It's a vein, it's good.
You can take the vein out.
Here. What do you like? Open it up.
Yeah.
It's good, ain't it?
It tastes like the trout. What's that?
It's a vein. Take it out if you want to.
Vein?
Vein, take it out. Don't put it on your
You like
pizza.
it?
Yeah.
All right, taste it, Ellie. Elliot ate his piece.
Oh, I do like
You
it.
ate
I ate all my pizza. Now it's good.
Yeah, he's eating more of it.
More pizza.
Okay.
It tastes like roasted fish.
They're eating their crawdads they caught. How do you like it?
I want more pizza. That tastes good. That tastes good.
Did you try it, Jordan?
It's good. Look, these aren't done yet. I don't think they turn red when they do. No, maybe not.